Today in this video, we will look into how we can get started with the programming. So for doing a programming, you should learn a programming language. So I will recommend you first learn C, then go with C++, then Java, then Python. And if you learn one programming language, you can learn the syntax of other programming languages because the syntax are a bit similar only. So to learn a programming language, go to YouTube and search for learn C. So you can take any of the courses, like you can go with Code with Harry, or you can go with this tutorial by Free Code Camp. So you can refer this video and learn one programming language, and then after learning this, you can go to W3 schools and you can learn any language over here. You can get tons of languages over here like Python, Java, C, C++, C Sharp, R, Kotlin, Go, Django, and JavaScripts. All languages. Most of the languages you can get over here and you can learn very fast. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching.